Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add Google Maps in React.js. Incorporating Google Maps in React.js is essential for location-based applications like delivery tracking, store locator, and real-time navigation. Since React is a JavaScript framework, we use the Google Maps API or third-party libraries like React.google.maps. So let's explore the best ways to integrate Google Maps into a React app. The first step is to install dependencies. Run the following command to install the required package. Just write, let's look for it in here. Write this one right here. I'm gonna select it. npm space install rwas react slash google dot maps slash API. Now the second step is to get a Google Maps key. Now go to Google Cloud Console and create an API key. After that, enable Google Maps JavaScript API and then create a Google Maps component by this code right here. I'm gonna show it too. This one right here, I'm gonna select it. You can pause the screen to copy it. This is the one right here. I'm gonna zoom out so you can see it. This is the code. Now you can use the components in your app by using this code right here. You can pause the video also so you can copy it. And that's it. Use markers for multiple locations and customize map styles by changing the appearance with Google Maps styling, and also optimize loading by using lazy loading to improve performance. Adding Google Maps in React enhances user engagement and functionality. With React's Google Maps API, you can create dynamic interactive maps with ease. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.